Our topic for today is about controlling others is strength, but mastering yourself the true power. The true power. So, brothers and sisters, controlling others is strength, but mastering yourself is true power. Meaning, brothers and sisters, meaning, dominating others shows force, but self-control shows real strength. So, in the Bible, connections, Proverbs 16 verse 3-2. Whoever is slow to anger is better than the mighty, and he who rules his spirit is better than he who takes a city. So,